Palm unveiled its first smartphone last week, and now we have a release date, November 2nd. Verizon, the device's exclusive operator, will begin selling the phone next Friday and will offer it for $300 on a 2-year contract or $350 if it is purchased directly. The device does not need a new data plan, but it does require Verizon's NumberShare service, which costs $10 per month. Palm's phone, which is called Palm, is not a typical smartphone. It has the specifications of a low-end phone and runs Android Oreo, but it should not be used in the same way. The device is intended to be complementary to your main smartphone, and offers a smaller and simpler alternative that you can take with you if you want to be less distracted. A handful of other devices have tried this before with mixed success. Palm's approach is to offer the functionality of a complete modern phone in a small package that is not particularly good for using for complex interactions. That way, you can focus on calling, texting and taking occasional pictures, but you can shoot an email if you need it.